Alrighty, I'm going to make a fire tonight, and I'm going to use some fat lighter that C-Dub took the time to make for all of us. A good fire tonight. Alright. And just like that, fire started. Yep, there's my fire. And I've got water to the left of me. But I got this beautiful mountain view right here. Look at the green going up that mountain. Yep. This is my campsite for at night. Go way over here to the right, which is towards Portage Glacier. Got that. That's not Portage Glacier, but that's the mountains going towards it. Beautiful. Stay here 8 days if you want. It's all free. No facilities other than a fire ring, parking spot, and a picnic table. But if you bring everything else, remember to pack it out. It's neat. Got a bear in my campsite. Came walking right through. Missed him. That's him there. Just to show you. That's me, and that was him. A trail marker sign, and this is a new one for me, but probably not around here. Snow skiing. little trail to hike down here. Nice little wooden bridge on this trail, and there's another one. This nice trail. Go bike riding or walking on it, or snow skiing. No motorized vehicles. I got water to the left of me, and I have water to the right of me. And beautiful mountains in the background. Yowza, yowza, yowza. Bunny rabbit right outside my van. Clouds moving across the mountain. Seen like 3 eagles. One was being chased by 2 seagulls. I haven't been able to get my camera out and capture them yet, but we'll keep at it. Good night, y'all. You know the saying, I'm having fun and you should be too.